This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group, and the units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA. The RHPAZR models are basic heat pumps with a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency. They feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage, but they have a 78 decibel noise rating, which is about the same as an alarm clock. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 15 kilowatts to provide supplemental heating, but their warranty is only average when compared to other brands. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as R32, but they have durable scroll compressors and a factory-installed filter dryer to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture. The units are shipped for downflow, roof mounting, but are easily field converted to side discharge, slab mounting. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.